Perfect couple goals, from dreams to reality together, Tagalog relationship motivation. Lahat ng magkasintahan o mag-asawa ay may pangarap. Pero hindi lahat tinutupad ito ng kasama. Some couples stay stuck in the kilig phase. But others, they build a future. Hindi lang sila sweet sa chat, sa posts, sa public. They're also solid when no one's watching. They support each other's growth. They rise together. From dreams to reality, together. Ito ang tunay na perfect couple goals. Welcome to the Change for the Better. Ito ang channel na magpapaalala sa'yo ng tunay na success sa buhay. Part 1, Love is not enough. You need alignment. Mahal nyo ang isa't isa? That's good. Pero sapat ba yon para mabuo ang pangarap nyo? Kailangan nyo ng shared values, shared goals, shared commitment. Hindi sapat ang mahal lang kita. Kailangan. Anong ginagawa natin para sa future natin? Anong gusto nating marating? Sabay. Kung siya lang ang may plano, at ikaw sunod lang, hindi balance yan. Perfect couples are two people choosing each other, choosing to grow. Part 2, Dream Mapping as a Couple. Gawin ninyong team project ang mga pangarap ninyo. Set a time para tanungin ang isa't isa. What's your personal goal? What's our goal together? Where do we see ourselves in 3, 5, or 10 years? Isulat ninyo. I-vision board nyo. Mag-budget kayo ng pangarap. Walang maliit na dream kapag sabay ninyong pinaghihirapan. Examples. Makapag-ipon ng 100,000 piso together for a small business. Build a simple home sa probinsya. Mag-invest sa sarili katulad ng online course or business coaching. Travel goal after 3 taon na ipon. The point is, may direction kayo. Part 3, Push each other, don't pull down. Perfect couples are not just partners in love. They're also accountability partners. Uy, tuloy mo yung online course mo ah. Kamusta na yung savings natin? Try natin mag-business, kahit maliit lang, dahan-dahan lang. Hindi dapat kayo nagkakapaan o nagpapatalbugan. Hindi kayo kompetensya, magkakampi kayo. Supportive ka ba sa pangarap niya? Supportive ba siya sa pangarap mo? Kung oo, that's the kind of relationship that turns dreams into reality. Part 4, From Love to Legacy. Hindi lang kayo magjowa or mag-asawa. You're building a legacy. Relationships that last are built on open communication, transparent finances, shared sacrifices, emotional intelligence. Perfect couple kayo, hindi dahil walang away, kundi dahil marunong kayong magkaintindihan. Nagkakausap kayo, nagkakatulungan kayo. Ang tunay na pagmamahal, may plano, may direksyon, may dahilan. Part 5, Together in every season. Sa simula, puro pangarap. Pagdating ng panahon, may reality na. Minsan pagod, minsan kulang, minsan hindi malinaw. Pero kung magkasama kayo, you can figure it out. Kahit hindi perfect ang sitwasyon, kung kayo ay may respeto, may plano, may pagmamahal, that's enough to build something real. Perfect couple have shared purpose. Being a perfect couple doesn't mean walang problema. It means kahit may problema, you face it together. You love each other. You grow together. You dream together. You build a life together. From dreams to reality, together as a perfect couple. And it's possible, basta pareho kayong committed. Like this video, kung kayo ng partner mo ay sabay ng nangangarap, mag-comment ng kasama ko siya kung kasama mo siyang bumuo ng buhay nyo. At mag-subscribe para sa Daily Tagalog Love at Life Motivation.